Hey, so today we're going to learn about constant rate, which in turn we're going to learn about slope. But today we're just going to focus on how to find the constant rate. So when you find the constant rate, what I do is you find the change of y over change of x. So this will be x and this is y. And what I mean by change of them, you look at the first two sets of numbers, 12 and 24, 1 and 2. So the change between the y's, between the 12 and 24, is I added 12. And the change between the x's is I added 1. So change of y goes over change of x. So that means 12 goes over 1, which is 12. So my equation would be y is equal to 12x. That's it. That's the main idea of what we're doing today. And the equation, the graph matches the table. All right, go to the back. So the table below shows a relationship between the side length of a polygon and its perimeter. Which of the following is a constant proportionality? So again, you have your x, you have your y. So the change between these is 8, and the change between this is 1. So 8 over 1 equals 8. So the answer would be B, which is y is equal to 8x. All right, last one. The graph below shows a number of birdhouses Daryl can build per hour. What's the constant proportionality? So what I need to do is you need to find 2 points on the line to find the constant. So there's point 1 and 2 points. Well, so point 1, the x is 1 and the y is 8. Okay. The next point is 16 and the x is 2. So the difference between here is 8. The difference between here is 1. So it'd be 8 over 1 as we wrote on the first ratio would be 8. A way to do that without basically creating a table is to actually do something called rise over run. So I have my point here, and then I have another point here. You have to have 2 points, and I rise before you can run. So you stand up before you run. So I rise 4 because these are going up by 4. So 4, 8. So I rise 8, and then I run 1. So again, 8 over 1. So my equation would be y is equal to 8x. So that's the main idea. There's nothing complicated about it. I just had to present this first because we're going to expand on it later. Thank you, guys.